We created Origami because the print industry is overflowing with overpriced software being provided by plus-size vendors that prioritize profit margins over customer service. We wanted to change that standard and expectations within the business by providing a newer, more cost-effective alternative for smaller companies that have their eyes on doing bigger business. Companies that adapt Origami will consistently succeed in converting estimates into orders to maximize profit by reducing errors and utilizing the most efficient processes available. Backed by our AI technology that will automatically adjust rate codes based on current performance, our partners will thrive given the level of fully integrated technological functionality they'll have at their disposal, which will position their company for long-term sustainable growth.